Hello, my name is Lindahl Lucas, and I'm the president of Lucas Insurance Services. And I have over 30 years experience in insurance and financial services. I'd like to welcome you to part two of the tax-free retirement and wealth management series. Now, today's retirement strategies are out of date and they're completely lost in a system that is falling apart, just like Social Security and private company pensions, along with the current 401k plan. Now, why are they outdated? The simple answer is look at what happened in 2008 when the stock market crumbled and financially took almost everything that the average person's retirement program had. A lot of these retired people today are dealing with this devastation and they will never be able to fully recover. These retirees are now living at or below the poverty level, and they will probably do so until they die. Now, this is not the future that any of us ever thought would happen or even wanted, but the facts are that 90% of Americans are financially unprepared for even an average level of retirement. And they're banking on that Social Security will be there to save them in their golden years. And who knows if even Social Security will even be there for us when we need it the most in our retirement. Yesterday's retirement choices have failed. Now people are worried if they will even have any retirement funds to fall back on at all. Traditional choices most Americans have had have been limited to and include company pensions, 401ks, IRAs, brokerage accounts, CDs, and savings. Pensions are being phased out. They are expensive, and in the United States, a business cannot be profitable with an expensive pension program. They are pushing the responsibility to the employee in the form of a 401k. Again, big business is using a 401k to replace an expensive pension program, but it fails as most people don't understand them and they have no idea how to manage them. Would you let an average person you met on the street perform open heart surgery on someone that you love? No, because they have no experience in medicine, let alone any financial investments. 401ks are subject to market volatility and fees. This can eat into principal and profit margins. And in 2008, showed all of us what could happen and what did happen with people's 401ks and the retirement program, because most of them became a 201k because people lost half or if not more. Brokerage accounts such as Merrill Lynch and Charles Schwab, for example, are subject to market volatility. And if we know anything, it is that we are gambling that the choices we make will be profitable. Brokerage accounts are subject to high broker fees and high trading fees. Now, another choice would be self-funding your own retirement. Now, this is where people pay out of their own pocket. Some people still are hiding money under their mattress, and many retirees are still working just to get by. But they are losing out on the opportunity for growth in their retirement account. Some people are still using CDs and savings account. The reality is you could and will end up losing money through inflation, as inflation is higher than what you would be getting from a savings or CD account in return. What is the solution to the ineffective choices of the past? This new retirement vehicle is a financial gladiator that turbocharges your retirement and protects you from loss with the protective floor. It is called an IUL, an Index Universal Life Insurance Policy. Now, make no mistake about it. This is not your father's life insurance policy. This innovative IUL policy uses the same principles and strategies that the wealthiest 1% of Americans have been using for years. It has safety and growth with no principal loss. It is IRS approved. It has compounding interest that resets yearly, that locks in all gains. It participates in market gains with no risk of loss. It has tax-free death benefit. It creates tax-free income that can be used for your retirement, and your money has liquidity. Now, if you are looking for a better way to prepare for your future safely with an IRS-approved tax-free disbursements, Don't miss this opportunity to get a free assessment based upon your individual needs. Please call Lucas Insurance Services at 1-800-974-4678. Be sure to look for our next video, which explains the specifics of an IUL contract. My name is Lindahl Lucas, and I approve this message.